Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2022 Ford Transit Connect blue metallic in color with our mini T conversion. This also comes with the optional crossbars and awning. Mini T conversion consists of solar on the roof, over-the-air antenna. Just scan what channels you get, there's no cost. 10-speed reversible fan for ventilation. Inside you find dual house batteries, 2000-watt inverter, TV DVD player, refrigerator, microwave that can be ran even if you're not plugged in, shore power plug, shore power cord, hitch. The hitch has 2,000-pound towing capacity, works great for a bike rack. Also, Ford Transit Connect gets 24 to 28 miles to the gallon. Blind spot indicators in the mirror, great reverse camera for safety. Vinyl floor, a couch that pulls out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, has 4-inch high density foam, front cloth curtain for privacy, also comes with WeatherTech sunshades, and the windows in the back are limo tinted, so you can see out but others can't see in. You'll see the sink, hand pump faucet that flips up to a table. Has the lift gate, thermostatically controlled refrigerator, meaning you can set it as a refrigerator at like 37 degrees, or if you want the whole thing to become a freezer, just turn it down to 0. Comes with a starter kit, which consists of a foldable portable toilet, fits underneath the bed, some underbed storage totes, portable butane stove, butane fuel, 30 to 15 amp adapter, shore power plug, and a 25-foot shore power cord. Now the couch is folded out into the bed position. Check out our full details online, DLM-Distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!